But first, we'll be downloading two things. One is Python, the latest version of Python. To do that, go to Google, search Python, and the first result, which is python.org. Just click on it, hover over the downloads button, and here you have the latest version of Python. Click on it, download, and install it. So next, we'll be downloading a software called Pycharm. To do that, in the Google search engine, type Pycharm and click on the first result, which is jetbrains.com. Now, once you're in the home page, click on the download button, and we are going to download the free version of Pycharm, which is called as the community edition. Just scroll down, and here you have the free version of Pycharm. So if you're using a Windows system, you'll have a .exe file, download and install it. If you're using a Mac, then you have to download the appropriate DMG file. Older versions of Mac, they have the Intel chip, so download this version. If you're using a new version of Mac which has the Apple Silicon chip, download the DMG file appropriately.